Hi! In front of me is Motorola Moto G82, and today I would like to show you how you can change the food apps on this device. Firstly, go into Play Store, click on the search bar and install a new food app. In my case, Opera Mini Browser. You don't have to open it, just wait for it to install and select Home button. Following that, you need to access Settings. Then choose Apps category over here and click on the food apps. After that, you need to click on one of those sections. I wish to change my browser app, so I have to click on Browser, choose Opera, and simply go back. As you can see now, my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!